Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a Lorex Doorbell to Fusion NVR. First, ensure your Lorex Doorbell and Fusion NVR are on the same network. Next, open the Lorex Home app on your smartphone. Then tap the device settings for your doorbell. Next, find and note the IP address of the doorbell. Log into your Fusion NVR interface on a computer or monitor. Now go to Device Management and Add Device. Select Manual Add and enter the doorbell's IP address. Then enter the doorbell's username and password for authentication. Click Add and wait for the NVR to connect to the doorbell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.